All right, guys, so what I'm doing, it's March 4th, the date of this recording, 2026. Season's been over since about the middle of February here in Alabama, and I've got a bunch of presets that I, for the most part, leave the rope in the tree during the season. Well, now that season's over, I'm going to retrieve some of these ropes, and I want to show you that you don't necessarily need to climb up, tie on a pull down line, or even get up on any sticks if you've got these two tools, which I happen to have with me. One is the Rackin XL, which is 3.5 feet when extended out, and it's used to, you know, as a gun rest, a monopod, whatnot. And then I have the rope driver here, which extends out to 8 feet. Now, that's obviously higher than 8 feet, but what you can do is these are a modular system. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this hook on here. I'm gonna take this ball end off and screw it into this end, the Rackin XL, and I'm gonna have a total of about, let's see, what is that math? 8 feet plus, 11 or so. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this out. All right. Flip over the ball head. This. All right. Let's see. All right, there we go. Man, it's hot, dude. In Alabama, sorry, it's 82 degrees today. All right, go ahead and extend this out. Lock it in. Extend the next section out, lock it in. Third, boom. Then we'll come down to right here. I'm gonna extend this section out. And I want to extend this section out. Now, all that weight on there, this thing is tough, dude. It is tough. Now, do I want to try and bend it? No, because I mean I could, but let me show you how to do it. And I'm just barely on it. And I'm just gonna bring in the slack. Let's bring it down. All right, tie my knot here. Now, let me tell you this. Do not leave your ropes all year. And if it's during the season and you've got a place that potentially has a lot of squirrels, don't, because they may go and chew on that rope up there where I had it around the crotch, you not know it. And it's always important to weight the rope before you start climbing, but you may weight it, get up there, move around, and you never know. So this is in a kind of a cedar thicket, bunch of planted pines. And so I'm really not worried about it. So just remember that, but that's a safe way to do it. The next video that I'm gonna come out with, I'm gonna actually show you how to take from the ground your rope, put it on this, and as you extend it, you're basically working the rope around the tree, bringing it up and getting up as high as you can. And sometimes you can do that with maybe just one stick. Just get on the stick and you can be up, gosh, 18 to 20 feet. However, the great thing about this system is I'm going to use it for a monopod anyway. I'm going to use this for my ropes. And so I've got both of them, and so now I can use them. And like I said, these are a universal system. Everything that they carry is made to be universal, kind of like a multi-tool, if you will. So the time of this recording, this is not available to the public yet. This and some of the other products obviously are there on the website. You can click the link in the description below to check it out. It's not an affiliate link. It's just something I use, and the products I use, I like to promote them and give a little insight on them. Also, so I'm barely 5'9" on a good day. So me stretched out with 11-foot max, 15, 16 feet maybe. I could possibly put just one little El Cheapo stick and just get up about it with 1 or 2-step aider, get up about 3 or 4 feet and extend that. But usually I won't know that because I usually hang my saddle, my stand or whatever. I'm gonna put it where the back cover is. Sometimes that's 14 feet. in this cedar thicket that's just, I mean, especially further on up in there, you get up 8-9 feet, you can't see anything. That's actually a good ground hunting spot. So just keep that in mind too. You know, you don't have to be 20 feet, you know, unless you just want to be. Nothing wrong with it, but I like to hunt where the cover is, and whatever the height that is where I'm going to set my stand. Sometimes low is better. All right, guys, well, that's it for this video. You know, if there's anything else you'd like to see on the channel, just put them in the comments below. Yeah, and I'll see if I've got the gear, I'll get it out to you. If it's something worth reviewing, a product that I would use personally, I'll see about getting one and doing it for you. So anyway, guys, happy hunting, stay safe. We'll see you next time.